one thing we need to mention, when you first sign into this computer, this is an Apple Macintosh computer using the latest operating system, Mavericks. When you put in your username and password, you're going to have to, you probably will get this screen that comes up. It says sign in with your Apple ID. You don't have to sign in at this time. You can go ahead and just press continue. And just click on don't sign in and press continue. And then you'll get this prompt that comes up and you can just say skip. And then it will say setting up your Mac and we'll give you another second or two and then there you go. That's how you get onto the computer. Alright, so let's take a look at our video drawer and the labels that are on it, because this will tell you, or this will help control what output you're going to get on the projectors. So, first of all, we have the high definition outputs. Those are HDMI. Okay, that's this first button here. Then after that, you have a number associated with what device you're going to use. So for example, we have HDMI 3, which is the iMac computer. Okay. Then we also have VGA and video. So whatever source that you want to choose, just click that button and then hit that number. Alright, right now I'm going to show you how to use the computer to play a video and a YouTube video. Let's look at how we do a video first. When you're on the computer, make sure that whatever you're running your video from, if it's from a flash drive or a CD, or you saved it to the desktop or somewhere on the computer, just go ahead and double click that. Okay, a video player will come up, and then your video will play.
Preston. And I'm Ted Peter Logan. And together, we are Domesticated Ponies!
So that's how you play a video on the computer. Let's look at how you do a YouTube video. First of all, choose your favorite browser. I recommend Chrome because I'm wearing a Google shirt right here. So, open up Chrome and then go ahead and type in the address bar. Let's just say youtube.com. Then you can select your favorite video. And then all you need to do is play that video.
With Joan of Arc.
Noah's wife? We're in danger of plunging most heinously to Mars.
Now if you want to make it full screen, just make sure you click on the full screen button on the video player. Now if you want to change the mode from mirror to extended, where we're extending our desktop, go ahead and click on System Preferences. From System Preferences, click on the Displays button, and then you will have 3 tabs up on the top. Click on Arrangement, and then uncheck the mirror display. That's it. So, the reason why we can use extended mode, just think of it as another screen that you have next to your desktop. Okay? One will be your workplace where you will have all your icons and windows, and one will just be the background or a black display, or your wallpaper, depending if you have a wallpaper or not. But one reason why we use extended mode, so you can work on something on your desk space right here, and then you can probably show a video or a PowerPoint on the other side. So, to do this, if we wanted to show a video on our extended mode desktop, what we do is we just select our video that we have, and we're going to drag it over to our other screen. And then you will need to play your video from there. You can also do the same thing with a YouTube video. Just open up a YouTube video, and then drag that window over. And you can still play it in full screen, and you can still play your video. we're going to show you how to use a PowerPoint on the computer. Now on a Mac computer, it's very much the same thing as a PC because we use the same program, PowerPoint. So what you're going to do is you're going to look on your screen and find your PowerPoint. Go ahead and open that. So I've made this really cool PowerPoint called Bear and Ted's Excellent Adventure because it is so excellent. And to run your PowerPoint, all you need to do is look for the play button right here. Go ahead and press that, and then your PowerPoint will appear on the projector. You can run through your PowerPoint by pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard or pressing the space bar. Here are some awesome pics that Bear and I took. We also have a video that we like to show you.
Hello, I'm Bear S. Preston. And I'm Ted Peter Logan. And together, we are Domesticated Ponies!
So that's how you run a PowerPoint on the computer. Now you have the option of using the remote as well. On the remote, you'll notice there are two arrows, one that's left and one that's right. To advance through your slides, use the right arrow. And you can advance all the way through your slides. One thing to know about the video, you need to make sure that the soundboard is on and you have two faders or sliders up. First one is called the mains and they're the color red. Make sure they're up about 3/4 of the way. The other slider is a blue one called CPU, and make sure that one's up. Then you can hear all the awesome sound from your video. Let's take our DVD player. This is on video 2, so I just make sure I hit the video button on the input and I choose channel 2. And then it switches to the DVD player. Alright, so if you want to control your DVD or your CD, there's a remote that you need to use, and also there's a remote for the Blu Ray player as well. It's in this video drawer, so just open it up. Now the DVD player is this Sony DVD remote, and you can figure out how to use it. Just go ahead and you can just press enter on there and it plays the video. One thing to know, all the audio that comes from HDMI inputs, HDMI 1, 2, 3, and 4, are going to be going through the video mixer slider right here, okay? But if you're using the CD or DVD player, make sure you use the sliders that are marked CD and DVD, and there are a left and right slider. So go ahead and use them both, and you'll notice that the sound comes up because we're playing our DVD right now.
Nice music.
Now one more thing to note. There are two other labels here. One is the resolution. Please do not change this resolution. It's set at its optimal position. Also, we have the line volume. Make sure this is fully up because if it's not, you're not going to hear the awesome sound from your video. So as you can see, we have our DVD video, and if you look on the soundboard, make sure that you're using this blue video mixer slider right here. Now, if you bring in your own laptop, you're wondering how can I connect to the projectors? Well, there are two ways you can do that. The first way that you can do that is you can use one of our auxiliary inputs. So you can use an HDMI auxiliary or AUX, and that's marked on the video drawer called HDMI 4. Another way that you can do it is you can also connect your laptop. If you have a VGA port, you can connect using one of our two VGA auxiliary connectors. Now if you want to play sound from your laptop, you need to make sure that you plug in using the iPad labeled plug right here, this cable. And you can control it on the board using these left and right sliders right here.